without the laser. Fucking waste of time. We sat there with 2 guys for 3 days, and we couldn't get that laser aligned. You know, it's like, there's got to be a special tool. And they're like, yeah, some guy checked it out, and we haven't gotten it back. Then I called my regional boss to be able to check out this tool, because then they were ordering it from that company, and my boss was like, oh yeah, I got that in my cabinet. I'm like, so you're the asshole who kept the fucking tool and didn't return it to tech support.